Video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a solar powered kind of LED spotlight for around your house, or just kind of anywhere like a garden or a walkway or something like that. It installs in seconds. It never needs batteries. It sticks almost any surface. It's durable and it's waterproof. How cool is that? I love anything that's waterproof. 25,000 hour lifespan, which I don't know how many years that is. It's 100% solar powered, so it's always going to have charge during the day. The solar panel on it is a 5.5 volt, 2.5 watt, and the battery inside of it is a 2,200 milliamp battery. And the working time is 8 to 10 hours with a charge time of 4 hours. So as long as you got 4 hours of daylight, I think you're going to be all right. So yeah, let me go ahead and open these up and we'll see what we get in this thing. So let's do that now. Very nicely packaged with bubble wrap. How cool is that? There you go. This is a two-piece, by the way. So there are two in here. Put the box aside. It looks like you get a little set of instructions. Going over the instructions, you know what? We don't need those. It's a solar powered light. How hard is it? Look at that. Adjustable. These are very affordable, by the way. This is a very affordable package. I have another set that was probably twice this amount, and I wanted to try these out because they're nowhere near as expensive as the other set I have. So it looks like it has hardware to mount it on the side of a house or mount it to a pole or something. But what I'm going to do is just stick them in the ground. And that looks like all you got to do right there. Just put the stake in there and then let them charge. All right, let me go ahead and set these up where I want them and let them get a charge throughout the day. And then we'll see what they look like at night. So let's do that now. Install these along this little walkway right here because I want to light this area up. So I'm going to put one going this way and then the other one going that way, and then let them charge and then see what they look like tonight. So let's do this right now. Let's stick this one right down in there like that. And because the sun comes mostly over from this away, let's turn that like that. And let's turn that one. And there is an adjustment, so 90 degrees of adjustment on that. And then one right here. So all right, I got them both set up there. And let's go ahead and let's click over to night and see what they look like now. So yeah, let's do that now. Woo! All right, everybody, here it is. It's nighttime out. As you can see, I have these things. They just came on. It got dark enough. They absorbed all day long. These things looked awesome. And it looks like they have, like, when you hit the button right here, you can see how it has this. It goes off slowly. That's like a low. Then you hit it one more time and it's like full brightness. And you can adjust it. There's like a screw type right here. See how I can go down more and I can go up like that. I'm gonna run it about right there. So yeah, I have that one adjusted going that way and that one going that way. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the little light system here. See you guys in the next video. Woo!